before you delete the method. Then you can always go back. And then don't comment stuff out. I mean, commenting code out is just about the worst sin you can do as a programmer, because that comment stays there forever and no one knows if they can ever delete it. And 6 months later, you can't even remember commenting that block of code out. So you think somebody else did and it might be useful, so you leave it. Get rid of it. It's just noise. Especially when you start making edits, because sometimes people go in and they start editing the code that's inside the comments because they're not sure and they want to keep it all in sync. Delete it. Let version control be your friend on that. Okay, so restoring. Let's take a look at editing a little bit more. Now, one thing I really, really like under Java Editor, and this used to be something that was unchecked by default, but now they made the default to have it turned on. It's this thing called mark occurrences. This is just brilliant. Let's say that I have a field in here, and I reference that field in several places. Like that. So now he's in several places there. Whoops. Oh, need to make him static. Kind of like that. Now I'm going through my code and I want to see where is name used. I can go to any one of those instances of name and click on it, and it'll highlight all the uses of it. And it'll only highlight the one that I'm actually using. It won't highlight things with the same name on it. So let's say that I had make this a foo2. A local variable in here called name. When I click on this name, you notice it does not highlight that one on line 11. It only highlights the ones that are really the reference to that variable. Behind the scenes, Clips has a little database that they use to keep track of all the references between things in your classes. They parse all your classes, they find out all the relationships between everything, and they keep track of that. So that when you click on something, you can really see